and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lima Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. One of the most common questions patients ask before getting a Hollywood smile is, how long does it actually last? In today's video, we'll explain the real lifespan of a Hollywood smile, the factors that affect its durability, and also how you can make your new smile last for many more years. What is a Hollywood smile? A Hollywood smile is a cosmetic dental treatment designed to create perfectly aligned, bright, and aesthetically pleasing teeth. It usually involves porcelain veneers, IMAX veneers, or zirconium crowns placed on the front teeth to improve their color, shape, and alignment. So what is the average lifespan of a Hollywood smile? In most cases, a Hollywood smile can last 10 to 15 years, and sometimes even longer when properly cared for. High-quality materials such as veneers or zirconium crowns are designed to be durable and resistant to stains and wear. However, the lifespan of treatment depends on several factors, including oral hygiene, lifestyle habits, and regular dental checkups. Let's talk about the materials used in Hollywood smile treatments. The materials used for your Hollywood smile play an important role in its longevity. Porcelain and IMAX veneers are known for their natural appearance and strength, while zirconium crowns are extremely durable and resistant to damage. At Lima Dental Clinic, dentists select high-quality materials to ensure both aesthetics and long-term performance. Now let's talk about the factors that affect longevity. There are several factors that can affect how long your Hollywood smile lasts. Good oral hygiene is essential. Brushing and flossing regularly help protect both your veneers and your natural teeth. Lifestyle habits also matter. Avoiding habits such as biting hard objects, grinding your teeth, or using your teeth as tools can help prevent damage. Regular dental checkups allow your dentist to monitor your smile and make sure everything remains healthy and secure. Now, can Hollywood smile veneers be replaced? Over time, veneers or crowns may eventually need to be replaced due to normal wear. The good news is that replacing them is a relatively straightforward process, and many patients choose to update their smile again after several years. Now let's talk about maintaining of your Hollywood smile. To keep your Hollywood smile looking its best, dentists recommend maintaining good oral hygiene, visiting your dentist regularly, and avoiding excessive pressure on your teeth. With proper care, your smile can stay bright, natural, and beautiful for many years. So if you're considering getting a Hollywood smile in Turkey and want to learn more about the treatment and its long-term results, the team at Lima Dental Clinic is here to help. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve your perfect smile at Lima Dental Clinic. Bye!
You'll feel the same.